Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we have something truly extraordinary in store for you. We're about to delve into the fascinating world of science and unveil the top 10 mind-blowing scientific discoveries that have changed the way we understand our universe. So, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, because you won't want to miss this. Let's get started. Our journey through the most astonishing scientific discoveries begins with number 10. But before we dive in, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you're as excited as we are. Number 10, the Higgs boson discovery. At number 10, we have the groundbreaking discovery of the Higgs boson, often referred to as the God particle. Scientists at CERN made waves when they confirmed its existence in 2012. This elusive particle helps explain why everything in the universe is mass. It's like the missing piece of the cosmic puzzle. Number 9, CRISPR gene editing. Coming in at number 9, we have CRISPR-Cas9, the revolutionary gene editing tool. CRISPR allows us to precisely modify DNA, potentially curing genetic diseases and revolutionizing agriculture. It's rewriting the future of genetics. Number 8, gravitational waves. Number 8 is truly mind-blowing, the detection of gravitational waves. In 2015, LIGO made history by observing ripples in spacetime caused by the collision of two black holes. This discovery confirmed a key prediction of Einstein's theory of relativity and opened up a new era in astrophysics. Number 7, the Human Genome Project. Number 7 on our list is the Human Genome Project. This massive international effort completed in 2003 sequenced the entire human genome, containing all our genes. It's paving the way for personalized medicine and our understanding of human evolution. Number 6, dark matter and dark energy. At number 6, we have the mysteries of dark matter and dark energy. While they make up most of the universe, they remain enigmatic. Researchers are still racing to unlock their secrets, which could redefine our understanding of the cosmos. Number 5, the double helix structure of DNA. Halfway through our list, at number 5, is the discovery of the double helix structure of DNA by James Watson and Francis Crick in 1953. This iconic finding unlocked the code of life itself and transformed the field of biology. Number 4, quantum mechanics. Number 4 is quantum mechanics, a mind-boggling theory that governs the behavior of particles at the tiniest scales. Its principles have led to incredible technologies like transistors and lasers, reshaping our modern world. Number 3, plate tectonics. Number 3 is the theory of plate tectonics. It revealed how Earth's continents move, causing earthquakes, volcanoes, and the formation of mountain ranges. This idea revolutionized geology and our understanding of the planet's dynamic nature. Number 2, the theory of evolution. At number 2, we have Charles Darwin's theory of evolution. This groundbreaking concept explains how species adapt and change over time through natural selection. It's not just a biological theory, it's a cornerstone of modern science. Number 1, the Big Bang theory. And finally, the moment we've all been waiting for, number 1 on our list is the Big Bang theory. This theory describes the birth of our universe nearly 14 billion years ago. It's the ultimate origin story and has reshaped our understanding of space, time, and the cosmos. There you have it, folks, the top 10 mind-blowing scientific discoveries that have left us in awe of the universe we inhabit. If you enjoyed this journey through the wonders of science, don't forget to share this video with your friends and fellow science enthusiasts. Also, let us know in the comments which discovery blew your mind the most. Until next time, stay curious, stay fascinated, and keep exploring the world of science. Thanks for watching. And as always, remember to subscribe to Future Insights for more exciting content. See you in the next video.